Here it comes.
Welcome to Talkin' the Blues, where each week we interview another destitute ethnic musician from whom today's superstars steal liberally without even thinking to pay royalties. This week, famous bluesman Blind Scooter Pye, who has influenced such musicians as Yngwie Malmsteen, to name a few. Mr. Pye, may I call you Scooter?
Yes, yes.
Then may I call you Blind?
Yes.
Well then, Mary Beth. When did you first start singing the blues?
Yes.
What do you mean, what time is it?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I see. It's been said that your music is a mix of styles emanating from both the Louisiana Bayou region and the nomadic Chow Chow Indian tribes of Staten Island. How would you categorize yourself?
Give it.
I see. Now, some would call that conceited. And then there's the matter of your artistic temperament. But your music speaks for itself.
Yeah.
So then, why Scooter Pye?
Well, I ate so many scooter pies, I went blind.
Excuse me, I didn't quite get that. Wait a minute! Say it again! Hold it! You spoke real English. Don't hand me that! I heard you! Here! Look at this! This is shoe polish! I bet you're not even blind. What am I holding up? And how did you know it was the Talmud? Oh, so now we're blind psychic pie. So what else are we this week?
Hey, lady! Ow! With the foot the thing with the game!
Ah, no. You're not Jerry Lewis either. In fact, you're Mr. Blind! Get the hell off of my show! Don't even try it! You're out of here! God, what nerve! Well, next week on Talkin' the Blues, we'll be speaking with a real blues musician who at least had lunch with Bono.